Good, good evening to everybody. Today in this lesson or in this video we are going to teach learn about what extension teaching methods. So what are the extension teaching methods, friends? Extension teaching methods are the tools or techniques which are used by the extension worker to disseminate its knowledge and skills and for the development of their social and economic status, so that if they will get developed, then the community will automatically develop and the nation will develop. So the methods are the tools or techniques used by the extension worker. These are the tools and techniques used by the extension workers. So extension teaching methods, types of methods. Number one, what individual method. On the basis of it can be divided we can divide it into two categories based on the use and nature of contact. Number one. Number two, on the basis of contacting people. Contact of people. Again, each one, suppose on the basis of use and nature. This method is again divided into three types, as we can say: individual methods, group methods, or mass contact mass methods. What? Mass contact, individuals, groups, and mass methods. So again, contact method, let us discuss one by one. Number one, okay, contacting people. Number one, we can say individual contact, In this method, what happens, friends? It is a face-to-face contact, person to person, face to face, or person to person. And between extension worker to field worker. So it is between the extension worker to field worker. Let us see next method is what we are going to. So the next method is group contact method. Number B, group contact method. This method is used in a small groups of 20 to 25 people. 20 to 25 people make a group. Exchange of ideas. In this way, what happens? Exchange of ideas. Discussion is made. Among the workers, or people, we can say. among the people. Next come to mass contact method. Number C, mass contact method. In this methods, friends, what happens? Extends was to approach large number of people for dissemination of knowledge. Appreciate, so in mass contact, large number of people gathered, large number of people are gathered for dissemination of knowledge, dissemination of information, large number of people gather for the dissemination of informations, ideas, knowledge. It is ideas, knowledge, information. Next come to on the basis of number 2 criteria, which is again on the basis of nature, according to use. According to use and nature of contact, it is the second criteria of this extension teaching methods. Okay, these are individual. Number 1, individual method. In this method, friends, what happens? The farm or home visit take place. Farm or home visit is made. Contact from individual to individual, from door to door, from farm to farm, this visit is taking place. Okay, next is your proposal letters. You can send proposal, individual letters, letter to the worker or the field worker. Office calls, individual office calls, it is. So this is called individual method, in which a extension worker contact a particular people or particular individual for the dissemination of knowledge and technology. Let us see. Next is your number B, is your group contact, under the category 2, group contact. In this method, what happens? Group meetings are conducted. Group meetings are conducted. Group meetings are conducted in group contact. Method of demonstration. Method of demonstration is followed. Method of demonstration is followed. Study tour is made. Study tour is made. So study tour is made. Demonstration method. What meetings are conducted by, that is called the group contacts. Medium forums also. Medium forums. Is it? Next come to mass contact method, number C. So how to contact the mass people in this method was broadcasting. So in order to contact the mass, we use the mass media. Mass media is used. That is, you can say TV, radios, print media. These are used. This is called mass. In the form of short films or screenplay. This is used in order to contact the mass or whole public. What shall we do? Just mass media is used, such as TV, radios, print media used, short films and screenplay also used. Next come to according to form. According to form. According to form, that may be either a written method or spoken method, or what next is called object or visual method. So written method, visual method and spoken method. Let us see written method. In this method, what written method? Bulletins, circulars, or letters are sent. Bulletins, letters, circulars, or we can say leaflets, folders are also used for this written methods. Number 2 is called spoken method. Spoken method. In this method, what happens? Meetings, forums are used, and what official calls are also made, and radio is used also. Let's see. Next come to visual methods. Number C, the last one is called the visual method. In this method, visual methods, we generally use what? Motion pictures, slides, slide presentation, Next one is model or exhibits, showing or demonstrating models or exhibits. So all these methods are very useful to the rural people or the field worker or domestic worker in order to get the new ideas, discoveries and knowledge, and so that they can develop their attitude, knowledge and skill, so that their individual, domestic or the family development in that way also community will develop, and the nation will automatically develop. That's all about the methods of extension teaching. That means extension teaching methods. Thank you.